Enforcement officials across the area are searching for a missing teenager who they believe ran away with a 44-year-old man. An arrest warrant has been issued for Mark Edwards. He was just days away from standing trial for allegedly kidnapping this same girl last September. We have been following this search for you all day. This is new video for you at 6 o'clock from the Park Lane area, where authorities are investigating a possible sighting near State Route 235, including witness reports that Edwards may have gotten into a truck in this area. Nothing, though, was found. Jackie Sprague has been tracking the developments for you all day. She joins us live from Clark County. Jackie, what are deputies saying tonight?
Well, law enforcement from all over Clark County have been searching for this 14-year-old endangered missing girl all day. But as darkness falls, that manhunt becomes more difficult. That's why they're asking for your help.
Oh my God.
A desperate 911 call made by this 14-year-old's mother Monday night around 9 after she says her daughter left their German Township apartment to run away again with this man, 44-year-old Mark Edwards.
She's in love with him.
Clark County Sheriff Gene Kelly says the duo ran away together last September, sparking an Amber Alert. Edwards was set to go to trial next week on kidnapping and rape charges in that case. The sheriff says Edwards refused to accept a plea deal at Monday's court appearance and faced some serious time behind bars, which may have prompted the two to run away again.
She was living with her mother and going to school. She's 14 years old. A protection order had been issued. He had been charged, and he was out on bond, so there was nothing else that we could do.
Sheriff Kelly says shortly after the 911 call, they received information that Edwards was staying at the Knights Inn on West Main Street in Springfield. A search of the room turned up items from both Edwards and the girl. Edwards' wife told deputies she had rented a car for him. Deputies located it nearby the motel around 10:30 Monday night, and a pursuit began. The sheriff says deputies spotted a young girl in the car with him, but after Edwards ran stop signs and red lights, they stopped chasing the two. The abandoned car was found a short time later on Cottage Drive near Rebert Pike. They believe the two may still be in Clark County. The sheriff says Edwards was found with several weapons last September. He says Edwards could be armed and dangerous again, and he's desperate, so they want you to be on the lookout.
He could put her life at risk and jeopardy. We don't know how he's going to survive, so he may try to rob, steal, take a car. We don't know what his mindset is at this point.
And because Edwards may be armed and dangerous, Sheriff Kelly asks that you not approach them and call 911 immediately. Reporting live in Clark County, Jackie Sprague, 2 News, working for you.